The Nature and Architecture for Little Designers project promotes environmental awareness and sustainable thinking through design based learning. It provides an inclusive and interactive educational model that combines architecture, art, and science. Over two implementation periods, 261 students from 12 middle schools in Izmir participated, half from socioeconomically disadvantaged areas. By ensuring gender balance and equal access, the project emphasized educational equity while offering meaningful learning experiences for all. Through hands on workshops, students explored the connection between nature and the built environment, developing creativity, problem solving, and critical thinking skills. Guided by experts, they learned to design with empathy, understanding how human actions affect nature and how design can contribute to positive change. This initiative demonstrates how interdisciplinary education can inspire sustainable behavior, foster inclusion, and empower young learners to become active contributors to a more environmentally responsible society. Educating minds, inspiring hearts, designing a sustainable tomorrow. The Nature and Architecture for Little Designers project.